Let's take a look at your accounting statements. A statement is the reflection of the earnings of all bookings for the rentals selected within the period selected. It reflects the information of the bookings we receive from the provider, channel manager, and/or from the information you have introduced yourself in Power Reporting. It does not yet show how much needs to be paid to each recipient. This will be calculated in the payments and payouts you can create within each statement. Moving forward, let's take a look at creating a statement. Navigate to the lower right and click on New Statement. On the pop-up, you'll first want to create a statement name. Then you want to select the date to be included in the statement, which will include all the bookings according to their check-in dates. Then, select a currency. Keep in mind that you can only have one currency per statement. In the event that you rent out your property in multiple currencies, you will need to create one statement for each currency. Then select the rentals to be included by clicking on the toggle of Rentals. Rentals can be filtered by city or owner. You can also use the Select All option below. When you're done, click Save at the bottom right. You can see here that your newly created statement has been saved successfully. Now that you've created your statement, let's take a deeper look within one of the statements. From here, click View. Here you can see one of our sample statements. The statement shows a summary of all the earnings of the bookings included in the statement according to their check-in dates. All earnings are separated between rental price, fees, services, taxes, and commissions paid to the OTAs. The amount of the net income does not include the OTA commissions. OTA commissions are separated for you. We can only do this for you if the OTA communicates the commission amount with your channel manager or provider, and if they share it with us. Just below that is your summary of all payments. The statement shows a summary of all the payments for the bookings included in the statement according to their check-in dates. All earnings are separated between paid out, bookings, fees, taxes and others, and expenses. Just below that we have your rental breakdown, fees breakdown, and commissions breakdown. You will be able to access a detailed report with the breakdown of incomes per rental, per fee, along with the commissions and the income per booking channel. Now, let's take a look at the Show Actions button at the bottom right. With this feature, you're able to export, email, edit, or delete a statement. When exporting, you can choose between exporting the statement as a PDF or Excel file. When emailing a statement, you can select the language of choice for it to be emailed in. You can also update the email content and select if you would like to be sent a copy. The Edit option allows you to update the statement name, date range, currency, and rentals. Now let's move on to your Payments tab. The Payment tab allows you to view payments relating to the current statement. Above the payments list, you have the option to quickly view those that have been unpaid, or use the Filter option. Each payment will allow you to view it as marked as paid, export, or delete. Please keep in mind that the export option emails an Excel copy of the statement to the logged-in user if you are not prompted for a recipient. There is also the option to create a payment for the statement here. And finally, your booking breakdown. Through the statements, you can access the breakdown of all the pricing elements of each booking. Please keep in mind that statements are automatically updated with any modifications made in your bookings. This means that even if your statement has already been generated and a booking inside the statement receives a modification, both the booking and the statement will be automatically modified. Statements can be manually updated at all times by clicking the Edit button inside the statement. You can directly export the statement, booking breakdown, and payments from inside the statement view. Or, if you prefer, you can email it directly to your rental owner or anyone you want from the statement view.